To view the list of apps that are allowed to access music and audio on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Scroll down the screen. Under privacy section, tap permission manager. Scroll down the screen. Tap music and audio. Under allow section, you can see the list of apps that are allowed to access music and other media files on your phone. If needed, you can tap one of the apps and then change the permission setting, like revoke the permission, so the app can no longer access music and other media files on your phone anymore. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.